past 30 days, I've made over $10,000 using TikTok. But the thing is, when I first started, I really had no idea how easy it was to make this type of money. In the past, I would spend days creating TikToks, and when I finally posted them, they wouldn't even get over 200 views. Everything felt like a complete waste of time, and to make things worse, I wasn't even getting paid to do any of this. Fast forward 18 months later, now I'm making roughly $10,000 to $20,000 per month. And in this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 best ways to make money with TikTok. With all these methods, you'll first need to understand how to make content. Don't worry if you're not fully sure how to do this properly. I have a ton of other videos on my channel teaching you exactly how to do it if you need some extra help. This first method is completely untapped. And to be honest, I know some people are gonna be a little annoyed when I drop this because there are some people gatekeeping it who don't want anyone to know about it. The first and easiest way to make money with TikTok is by doing something called TikTok reposting. When somebody posts a video on TikTok, they could be using methods that I'll be talking about later on in this video. And as time has gone on, people have realized how essential it is to repost their content on other platforms. So essentially, this method works by going onto someone else's TikTok profile, copying the link to one of their videos, pasting it into SnapTik, downloading it, and then reposting it on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. I know it sounds almost too easy, but people are paying for this right now because they want their content to reach as many people as possible. You'll typically get paid a retainer of around $100 to repost 30 of their videos. And on top of that, you'll normally be paid a bonus based on how many views the reposted content gets. This usually takes about 10 minutes a day to do. So if you can find 5 clients to repost for, you can be making $500 a month with only about an hour of work a day. And then if you manage to get good views for your client, you'll get that extra bonus on top. And I know that you're probably thinking this is some BS, and I completely get that. But let me explain the other methods in this video because that will make this method make a lot more sense. Method number 2, the TikTok Creativity Program. The TikTok Creativity Program is an incredible opportunity for creators to earn money directly from TikTok. The Creator Fund pays creators based on performance of their video. The more popular your videos are, the more you can potentially earn. But why is that? TikTok runs ads on their platform, and TikTok knows that the longer they keep the audience entertained, the longer they will stay on their platform, resulting in them watching more videos and watching more ads. The program itself is available in many countries. The eligibility and payout rates may vary depending on where you are, which I would say is the main drawback to this method. But if you make good content, you can typically get around $1,000 per million views you get. Another drawback is that you do need 10,000 followers to even be eligible to apply for the program. One thing that I've seen people do is earn money as a TikTok affiliate as they grow their pages. For example, say you have a following that's interested in fitness. You could make money promoting supplement brands while also making money with the TikTok Creativity Program. But how do you find the people to partner with? Well, it's actually kind of difficult. The first way is to reach out to brands directly that you want to work with, or you can see if they reach out to you. Sometimes when you start getting views, a brand will reach out to you on your page and offer you a commission to sell their products. But I would recommend to never do this. The main reason is because you can make more money getting the deals elsewhere. When I first started doing this last year, I joined a Discord called Your First Dollar. You can find brands that are not only offering commission, but also offering a retainer to promote their content. So here we have somebody hiring all retainer levels plus commission as well as a bonus structure. Here we have another person hiring slideshow creators plus a very generous bonus structure. Look at all these. And these were made within 4 minutes of each other, both within the past 2 hours. There is continuous job postings being made in here every single day. Look how far I've scrolled up. We are still under today. So let's say I'm trying to apply for this job post right here. What I would do is, one, I would click this little envelope thing right here, which signifies that I'm interested and he should go ahead and shoot me a DM. But to go above and beyond, what I do is I would shoot this person a DM. I would include either a portfolio that I've made of all of my past content and success, or I would simply send him some example videos that I've made in the past. If you do want to join this server, there's a link in the description. And don't get me wrong, using this method is a good way to make money. But if you ignore the last method I'm about to mention in this video, you will regret it. So let's talk about TikTok Shop. This feature allows you to sell products directly through your TikTok videos. To get started with TikTok Shop, you need to set up a shop profile and get it connected to your TikTok account. Once your shop is set up, you can start creating content that showcases your products. The big problem with this method is you need over a certain follower amount to be eligible to use TikTok Shop. However, if you can weather the storm for a few months and grow your page, the money you can make is absolutely insane. I'm a manager for some of the biggest TikTok Shop brands, and it's my job to manage creators and help them make money with their content. And recently, one of the creators for my brands named Jay ended up hitting a couple viral videos in 1 week, getting over 2 million views. And since he attached TikTok Shop to those videos, that helped him do over $80,000 in sales. A place to find a lot of these deals is Creators Corner, where I'm one of the managers in there. If you do want to get coached and or hired by me in this Discord, I'll leave the link in the description for Creators Corner as well. One of the key benefits of TikTok Shop is its integrations with TikTok's algorithm. When you create engaging content that promotes your product, TikTok's algorithm will help push that to a wider audience. This means that high quality engaging content can lead to more views, which will lead to more sales. At the moment, TikTok is heavily pushing content with TikTok Shop linked. I have never seen TikTok push videos as hard as they are currently pushing TikTok Shop videos. I definitely think that TikTok Shop can be a direct competitor with Amazon in the future. So you need to hop on this opportunity before it is too late. To make the most of TikTok Shop, focus on creating authentic content that highlights the benefits of your products. The more compelling your content, the more likely viewers will check out your shop and make a purchase. To sum everything up, making money on TikTok involves leveraging powerful strategies. The only problem you're gonna run into using any of these methods is low views. And in this video right here, I show you the exact strategy that I use to go viral every single time.